Good morning, my dear lovely children. How are you all doing? I hope you all are safe at your home. So, we are going to do one more worksheet today. The topic is write the first letter of the given pictures. Means there are so many pictures. First, you have to identify the picture. Means आपको पहले देखना है ये पिक्चर कौन सा है. ओके, देन से द नेम ऑफ द पिक्चर. फिर आपको पिक्चर्स के नेम बोलने हैं. देन थिंक करना है कि उस पिक्चर में फर्स्ट कौन सा लेटर आएगा या कौन सा साउंड आएगा. लेट्स स्टार्ट द वर्कशीट. Can you see this picture? Can you see this picture? What is this? This is the van. 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 Now you have to write here the first letter. matlab which letter you will write? Yes, right. V. V says van. Now here. What is this? It's an egg. Anda. Egg. Egg. A means which letter you are going to write? Egg. It's letter E. E is for egg. E makes the sound egg. Now this is the. What is this? This is the watermelon. Watermelon. So which letter you are going to write here? मतलब कौन सा लेटर आपको यहाँ लिखना है? Yes, W. W makes a sound. Watermelon. What is this? Leaf. Leaf. So what is the first letter you are going to write here? L for L, which letter you will write? L. Leaf means L. L makes the sound L. Leaf. It's a flower. 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 So what letter you are going to write here? F. F means F. F makes a sound flower. Children, do you remember this? What is this? It is the vase. Vase. The sound